So you guys could use a blow dryer so that it could dry faster, but I usually just let it dry on its own. So I did 2 coats of the bold hold. Some people prefer to use the Got to Be free spray. You can use that if you want to. I personally like how the glue makes it look more melted. So I like to use the glue on my wig cap. But yeah, just wanted to come in and get that disclaimer. So I'm gonna just let this dry and then we're gonna move on to the next part. light. Anyways, okay, y'all, so this is how it came out. I didn't get to finish because the battery for my light had died. I don't know if y'all seen that in the last clip. So I just finished up doing my hair. This is what it's looking like. I think it looks pretty good. I just did a few twists here. I didn't really want to do no baby hair, so just kind of twisted like this. But I wish I got a longer length, but it's okay. You know, I've been rocking the short hair. It's not super short, but like medium length, boob length hair for a couple of months now. But baby, I don't know, I think I might take it back to high school and get that, you know, that 28-inch. Like, I think I might have to take it back there. But this is 20 inches. Comes to the middle of my back. This hair is from TINASHE, one of my favorite hair companies, one of my favorite inexpensive hair companies. So make sure y'all go tag me and TINASHE on Instagram, okay? Tell them to sponsor your girl, because TINASHE, y'all be taking all my coins. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. And I will always tell people about your company. So baby, I'm gonna need to get a little something. Like, can a girl get a post on your Instagram page? Like, what's going on? But anyways, this is TINASHE here. This is what the install is looking like. I gotta go. I'm not really, actually I kind of am in a rush, but I gotta go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you like the hairstyle, if you want to see more of these videos. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms. All of the information will be in the description box. And if you're loving this lip, okay, make sure you shop at Gardenian Gold, y'all. Like, this lip gloss, this is called Cosmic Brownie. And I'm obsessed. Like, this is one of my favorite ones. Look at that. Look at them lips, girl. Yes. So shop at Gardenian Gold. But I'll catch you guys in the next video.